Mantles of the fathers, more power, more loving.
Happy New Year! It's good to be alive. First of all, thank you, Jesus. You brought us out and you have ushered us in. 2024. We've talked so much about it to think that we are here at last. Well, for us as a family, it's a year of the manifestation of the sons of God. The special thing that God is doing for us in 2024, it's a year of showing forth. Every double overflow of the anointing, of the unction, of the grace that we collected in 2023. 2024 is going to show us forth. Everything that God has invested in us, every outstanding testimony, every outstanding investment, spiritual, material, 2024, take it from God. It is your season for showing forth. Each and every one of us at our own level, we must show forth. What are we showing forth? The praises and the glory of God. That means anything that represents shame was aborted in 2023. Anything that looks like it was not going to happen was terminated in 2023. In 2024, God is ready for a blast. You and I are ready to work with God. But let me start by saying, for all this to be made manifest, there's one thing that God has been emphasizing and is saying, 2024 is a year of dwellers. That is, he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God shall, then begin to enumerate it. But the bottom line is that if you must show forth, you must be called out, you must be separated unto him. I can assure you, and I'm saying it and speaking prophetically into your life, whatever is a misrepresentation of God was aborted in 2023. 2024, you and I, in every dimension of our lives, are going to show forth the praises of him that called us out of darkness into his marvelous light. Welcome to your season of manifestation. Good ones, only. Happy New Year. See you 17th of January in presence and online. If you are outside the country, but if you are here, make sure that together we see ourselves on the 17th so we can start showing forth early and take over our world. God bless you. Happy New Year once again.